24/7 teachers training. A lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Heavier and heaviest. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial, and abstract. And students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Let us start with the concept of heavy, heavier, and heaviest. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Inform them that they will be learning how to compare and identify the objects in size. Learning objectives to enable the students to compare different levels of weight, to enable them to differentiate between heavy, heavier, and heaviest, to enable them to understand the importance of the size and as describing the weight of an object, while also comparing the difference in size. This measuring skill allows the students to compare the length of objects by placing them side by side. It also allows them to think how heavy or how much heavier. To move forward, follow these steps. 1. Place 3 baskets on the floor with the labels heavy, heavier, and the heaviest. 2. Put out an object to compare to, such as an apple, banana, or melon. 3. Have a set of items or pictures of things which are lighter, heavier, and of the same weight as the object. 4. Each student chooses one and works out which basket it must go in. Allow them to heft the items and use a balance scale if they are not sure. 5. Display the real objects from the class or use the flashcards of various objects. 6. Tell the students that they can identify objects by comparing their sizes using heavy, heavier, and heaviest. Play a game following these steps. 1. Build a balancing scale with a hanger. 2. Materials required are plastic hanger, 2 paper or plastic cups, string or yarn, and a hole punch. 3. At the top of each cup, punch 2 holes on opposite sides and string the yarn through. 4. Hang the cups on the hanger and place the different items in the cup to see which one is heavier. 5. Take different objects, for example, buttons, paper clips, toothpicks, crayons, rubber bands, beads, sequins, nails, cotton swabs, bolts, yarn, marbles, soil, sticks, rocks, cotton balls, etc. 6. Distribute 3 containers in each group. Make 3 groups. 7. Place 3 labels of heavy, heavier, and heaviest on the table. 8. Ask the students what kind of materials they see in the containers. 9. Tell them to say what they will notice about them. Ask them to place them correctly under each label. Ask the students to open their textbooks and mark the objects as heavy, heavier, and heaviest. Reinforcement worksheet of heavy, heavier, and heaviest objects can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.